I have a lot of stage videos where people ask me who is your favorite hero, and I just tell them Rajnikant sir, because even before working in South India, I used to watch a lot of South Indian films, and I have always loved his style, unique, everything.
Yeah.
Just love it. Though cinema has one universal language, and that is emotion. And whatever films I have done, I have worked with from the heart, from the emotion. People loved me in Dakalti also. I think that comes from the heart. The audience loved me, but connecting them in their mother tongue, it's very important. So I think that's the toughest part, but I'm working on it. The challenging part is people see you as a child, and then you come as a heroine, and leading the whole story. So that change in, the vision of the audience, it is very difficult to change the vision, because once people... The beauty of those classic cinema, it's unmatchable. We can't match the flavor of those cinemas. But I am honored to be a part of this Bengali industry, from where Satyajit Ray, Aparna Sen, and so many. The most important part is how to connect with the audiences. It has become a proper planned technological way how to connect with the audience. So even a normal person has the opportunity to connect with their audiences. This generation is one of the best generations for artists.
This video is presented by BMC. Desktop and laptops for your office at wholesale price. All in one place.
FT Cinemas எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நம்ம கூட ஹீரோயின் ரித்திகா சென் இருக்காங்க. வணக்கம். அவங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரே வார்த்தை தமிழ்ல வணக்கம் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ இந்த இன்டர்வியூ இதுக்கப்புறம் மோஸ்ட்டாக இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கும். ஸோ பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஹாய்.
Hello.
I think you started your career as an acting career 20 years back.
Yeah, when I was a kid.
Okay, you was a child artist.
I started as a child artist.
How difficult it is to be a child artist and to be a heroine? Because I've seen in Tamil cinema, I've seen few child artists. They were very in that time they were very peak. They were very you can have them in all the films, but they grow up, they won't get any the opportunities what they get in child. Is it the same in other languages?
Yeah, it is. Obviously, it is almost same everywhere. And I guess, of course, it's little difficult because the challenging part is people see you as a child. And then you come as a heroine, and leading the whole story. So that change in, the vision of the audience, it is very difficult to change the vision, because once people see you in one way, it is really difficult to change in every film. But being an actor, I think that is also one of the biggest, as you were saying, one of the biggest challenges. In every film, an artist should portray in a different way, get portrayed in a different way. So I always try to keep it different everywhere and not, mix it, the looks and everything. So that's how I did it, I guess. But of course, it was little difficult. Nothing was easy.
I think you started it in 2005, and 2012 you started becoming this heroine, female lead in films. How it has happened?
It was all of a sudden. I was acting, and I was only... See, I never thought that I'd work in film industry as a lead heroine or as a main actress. I never wanted to be a main actress. I mean, it wasn't my motto. My motto was to do performing roles, different roles with better performances, where I have better shade, different characters and everything. So the offers just came and it just happened. It was magic though. Acting is my passion, and I started when I was just 6, 7, like that. I was in school and I was studying and acting. So it was like an extra activity like that as a child.
Which is very tough, acting or studying?
Both. You know what is tough? I'll tell you, both together.
It's very tough.
Both together, yeah.
Okay.
I've done my graduation.
Okay.
And I think that was the toughest job everyone in my life, my friends, my family, my parents, my brothers, sisters, everyone just told me either you can act or you can study. Both, nah, not possible. But I did both together, and I love doing what people say you cannot do. So I thought, why not? Because see, I never studied. I only studied one day before exam.
Okay.
So I felt like, yeah, I have the talent, and other days also when I'm acting, I'm studying the script only. So either way, I'm doing the paperwork. So I utilized that talent of mugging up and understanding the paras and everything. And somehow I also had this thing in my head that, whatever it is, I have to complete my education also, and I'll not compromise with any of my careers.
Okay.
Both are important, yeah.
Do you remember your first female lead film, like right now?
Yeah, if you say as an experience, I remember it was a different one, but the one released, it was a different one. Because I'll tell you, basically I'm an actress based from Bengal. My hometown is Bengal.
Yeah.
So I started working there because I was also studying while I was acting. And I always wanted to represent like multiple industries. That was not something that I have to do it, but I wanted to do it. It was inside my heart. And sorry, what did I say? What was the question?
No. You're on point actually to my
Yeah.
question. I was asking you, like, what is your first film?
Yes, I keep forgetting.
Yeah. That's
when
fine.
I talk too much. I'll try to keep it short with the questions.
No,
and the
it's not.
answers.
It's not.
So my first film was when I was just 12 years old. It was a character of a young girl, something teenager love story it was. And I remember I hardly understood anything. I always looked a little bit, like a big girl, and I had that, more of a style and everything. But I was just 12 that time, and inside I hardly understood anything about love, this, that. I didn't know how to portray the whole script. But the director was there, the whole team was there, and even before I acted as a lead, I did one film. It's a Bengali film called 100% Love.
I think I saw that film somewhere.
You've
In
seen
YouTube, yeah, some suggestion or
And people really gave me so much love. It was a character. It was not a lead, but I got so much love. Even till the date, people ask me how I portrayed and everything. But I was so young, the character was that it was kind of a love triangle.
No, that film
Yeah,
got remaked in Tamil, I think so.
Yeah, I think it's the remake of Tamil only.
Yeah.
I think it's remaked in Bengali.
Yeah.
From Tamil, I think. The hero and staring and everything with those things. I was really young. I think I was 10 or 11 years old, and when director told me you have to stare and you have to do this and that, I hardly understood. I asked my mom, how can I stare like that? What is the character? She also explained to me a little bit. It was really like, right now if I remind it to myself, it's really a funny moment to me. But that time, anyway, I got a lot of love from that
The
film.
people.
Yeah, and then I did the lead role. So when I did the lead role, it was like a majestic experience. And I think that film, it released later on. I think my first film was Borbad, which was as a lead, which was a super hit. And the songs were super duper hit. People still give me a lot of love from those songs right now. I think those songs were meant to be favorites of people. Even I hear those. But my first film is first film. It released after Borbad, but we shot it before.
Okay.
Long
The
time
release
back.
got delayed, yeah.
I keep talking so much.
No, it's okay.
Only
I
one
think-
question I'm answering.
No.
for like
I want you to talk because I don't want it to be a normal question and answer
Answer
session.
session.
So I want you to talk.
Yeah, this is getting like
it is a conversation.
longer.
Where, yeah, it
Yeah.
is not. That's okay. And you have started your career. I have a feeling like the people who look into like all regional films,
Yeah.
Bengali and Marathi basically have award films. That is how we think actually. But is there commercial films made there, or it is only for awards or like that? I have that.
No, we make every kind of films. You know, we have a lot of commercial films. Then we have a session of remakes
Yeah.
from South Indian films because we Bengalis love South Indian films. To be honest, on camera, Bengali audiences love South Indian films, watching them, and you know, we watch a lot of South Indian films.
Who's your favorite superstar from Tamil from childhood till now?
From childhood till now, I think Rajnikant sir. It has been a dream. Even I have a lot of stage videos where people ask me who is your favorite hero, and I just tell them Rajnikant sir, because even before working in South India, you know, I used to watch a lot of South Indian films, and I have always loved his style, unique, everything.
Yeah.
Just love it. So it's a dream to work with him.
So then my internal question in that was, is it award films there?
No, we make all kind of films, you know. That's
Have you ever acted in any Tamil remakes, like South Indian remakes? Have they told them like this is a Tamil?
yeah, they just say. I think one of my best films is one South Indian remake. It was remaked by one of my beloved director, Ravi Kinagi. He's a very famous director of Bengal, and he did few remakes that look so original. And I think the film that I did was that film also, no, 100% Love. You saw the
Yeah,
remake,
yeah,
but because I have not seen the original one, maybe. But the original one I have seen was a film that I did. The name was Missed Call. It was about phone calls and two people get connected. And that is also one of my best films in Bengal. And that is a full-fledged commercial film. So I think we Bengalis love a lot of commercial films as well as intellectual award films. That I have done few of them too. And we have legendary directors who generally do the award films. But we also have all kinds of films, you know. The all streams, the shorts, features, long, everything. And also mix. Nowadays, as an audience, people watch a lot of mysterious thriller. Am I boring you?
No, not at all. I'm just listening.
Am I boring the camera?
No. You're not.
You know, I try to keep it short.
No.
But then it...
I never asked you to keep short. I see it's a conversation.
Yeah.
I think I have a Bengali friend. I'm asking her what is there in Bengali. So I'm taking this interview as a
Yeah. Okay. So it's that. We have all kind of films and we have full-fledged commercial songs and everything.
If you go back, Bengali cinema is a start of cult film, generation for, like, if you take Satyajit Ray, everything started from there. Satyajit Ray was the first filmmaker who did all kind of untouchable scripts, untouchable
I love watching his films. I have
now
seen
you can't the films made 60 years 70 years back.
Absolutely.
Now you can't touch those scripts now.
Absolutely.
And then even in 80s, the Bengali films, there were a lot of superstars.
Amazing. Yeah.
I think I name may be wrong. Aparna San.
I worked with her.
So they are like brilliant actors.
Brilliant actors, and now she's directing a lot of films. She's a director, actor, and so much more. See, those are legends. As you know, there's a proverb called "old is gold."
Yeah.
And I think the beauty of those classic cinema, it's unmatchable. We can't match the flavor of those cinemas. But I'm honored to be a part of this Bengali industry, from where Satyajit Ray, Aparna Sen, and so many, Uttam Kumar, Suchitra Sen, so many legendary.
Yeah.
Mithun Chakravarti.
Yes.
Oh my God. I love him as a hero. He's still working.
Yeah. So
He's one of my favorites.
Tamil cinema, the same as Bengali cinema and Tamil cinema has a huge legacy. You have entered Tamil cinema back in 2018 after you made your 2018-19 after your debut.
Yeah.
Is it very tough to after that you worked in 2 or 3 films? Why is it very tough to get a Tamil film?
No, I think doing a Tamil, I think choosing the Tamil film is tougher, and for me what's toughest is I think the language, you know.
Okay.
Well, that's my fault because I was supposed to give little bit more
No, it's
time.
not about anyone's fault. Language is to be learned. It is.
Yeah, that's why, because I didn't give much time to this. I think if I take it a little bit more seriously, you know, I always agree on what I've done right and what I've done wrong. And, you know, if you realize what you've done wrong, you can make it better. And I believe in, you know, getting better with time, growing with time. So I think language was a problem because I hardly get into it and hardly understand. And though, you know, cinema has one universal language and that is emotion. And whatever films I have done, I have worked with from the heart, from the emotion. People loved me in Dagalti also. I think that comes from the heart, the expressions. But language makes it easier. You know, we generally Indians keep saying this, mother tongue, you know, you have the emotions, different kind of emotions with mother tongue.
Yeah. Actually,
like,
we all.
If you're angry,
the first.
if you slang in your mother tongue, you will feel satisfied. That's
more
how it
than
works.
anything else, our mind, whatever the emotion, our mind thinks in our mother tongue only.
Yeah.
Wherever you are, the first emotion which comes from your
Inside.
it is from your mother tongue.
Mother tongue. So I think connecting, the audience loved me, but connecting them in their mother tongue, you know, it's very important. So I think that's the toughest part, but I'm working on it. I think I'll figure it out because till the date
You are very young
I have
and
figured
you
everything.
have a bigger career ahead, so it is easy to learn Tamil.
Yeah.
So learn it. And,
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking forward.
Okay, you worked in Tamil films.
Yeah.
What is the learning experience or different experience from your regional films, Bengali films or anything?
Well, Bengali films is so much like working in hometown. It has a different flavor, you know, of course. But working here, first of all, I'm representing a girl from Bengal and working in a different industry. And, you know, South India is like a second home to me right now. The people over here, they help me so much. Like my team in, you know, Kadal Kadai Solava, they all helped me with the language and how to portray the dialogues, the character, you know, my co-actors, everybody, they helped me so much, and that's how it was possible. But, you know, honestly speaking, my hero Nakul, you know, every cue, he used to help me a lot. Even in other films also in South India, everyone helped me so much. So I think it is very important to get that also. And here, as a Bengali girl, I think I learned so much about working with passion, working with discipline, and it enriched me inside. Like, you know, I love work. I love work since I was a child. It was my passion and hobby and everything. But here I came to know more about how to be more passionate about your work and how to be more disciplined about your work. So that was also very important. It was completely an enriching journey for me.
Now you have done a film as you named. How you got how you got an opportunity for it? Actually, is there any one of your old films got you the opportunity?
I'm very excited to answer that. Is that the only question, or you were supposed to say?
No.
Okay, so basically, this one or the first one?
Whichever you like it.
I think
actually.
I first got a normal call, you know, from South India. They called me. I came here and I was selected for the film. It just happened with a flow. I think somehow it was in my dream, and it just happened in reality. So I always thank God, and I tried my best, I gave my best, but it was not like I was giving a lot of effort. It was not like that. I had the opportunity. So people called me, they asked me to give an audition. You know, that opportunity is also a lot. For some people, wait for that much opportunity for years. But I got that, and I'm very grateful. I was called for the film, and I was selected by the time I realized. I was very happy when I came to know I'm being a part of a film where Vijay Sethupathi sir is also there as a guest. And like, I think as the beginning in South India, it's a lot for me. I'm very lucky.
You have been in this industry for last 20 years. When I approached this for interview to be proceeded, I saw your videos on YouTube. You do a lot of independent stuff.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. How does it came?
I believe in exploring myself. So
Okay.
a lot of offers about songs, about different,
You have done one Jai Ho, I think so.
Yeah, I've done that. That was my own YouTube channel, and because a lot of people nowadays, social media is a big platform.
Yes.
For artists, all the artists.
Mm.
And I think it's getting easier also, because
To reach
love
people,
yeah.
yeah.
People love to connect with you,
Mhm.
and if you connect back, it's amazing.
Mhm.
Wonders can happen from there. And then and there, people just kept on commenting on my different platforms of social media about we need something on YouTube. So I thought maybe I can do it myself for my own channel, because everyone is doing it, so why not? So that was like an idea, something independent, and we planned. Because people always see me in maybe a next door girl or a cute girl or a romantic something, But I thought maybe let's do something different.
Whatever you're not getting the opportunity to in films, you're doing it here. You're experimenting.
Yeah, so I always wanted to be a part of a patriotic song.
Yes.
And I still now want to be a part of a patriotic song, maybe in a film, maybe it'll happen in future. But before that, I just did it in my own channel.
Like apart from this independent songs and everything, that independent films, there are a lot of independent films releasing in India, releasing worldwide.
Yeah.
Now it is going big. Even some independent films were selected to Oscar last few years. Is that industry got good now?
No, I'll not say good or bad, but I think it has evolved and it has become broader. You
Okay.
know, the chances of an artist, the opportunities have become broader.
After this social media era.
After the social media, the OTDs, and right now we are we have stepped into a different era of cinematic experiences. You have the highest technologies, highest resolutions of lights and everything. So a decade ago, I think 10 years back, when I was a kiddo, of course half of it I don't remember, but as per I remember, I think it was so different from now.
The cameras,
the lights, the lens, everything changed. Everything, the whole way of working, it has become so easier. And the most important part is how to connect with the audiences. It has become a proper, it has become a proper planned technological way how to connect with the audience. So even a normal person has the opportunity to connect with their audiences, or they can create audiences. I think it's this generation is one of the best generations for artists. You have so many platforms, so not only social media, OTDs,
a lot of regional OTTs are coming up.
And you have hundreds. As an audience also, I'm saying, you have a lot of options for watching. So if you want to watch something, you can sit back at your home and watch anything. I love watching films because I'm a movie lover at the end of the day. That's how the passion started, of course. And I think, long time back, we used to download the film. If the release is done, we don't know where to get it, where it's streaming. But now you have everything, in your palms, fingertips. That's it. So it has become broader, easier to access, and the opportunities are endless. You don't know, where you can reach, what you can do. It's endless. It's amazing.
What the film you recently watched in Bollywood or
Okay.
anything? Have
I
you watched
think-
Durandar?
Of course. Of
Do you
course.
liked it?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Not like I loved it, but I liked it because of Ranveer Singh's acting, because I like his acting. So yeah, I did.
Are you a lover of an action film, or it is like family drama, or it is like some feel good films?
I love every kind of films. All the kind of films. Lately, I've been watching a lot of, I think, thrillers, because that's the genre people are watching more right now. I think there's a South Indian film that I watched. Sai Pallavi was there.
Amaran.
Not Amaran.
Gargi.
No, Thandel.
Oh, Thandel. Yeah, it is a Telugu film. It is dubbed. Yeah, Thandel.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because in this crowd of thrillers and twists and everything, suddenly I watched a simple love story with a realistic line and something very relatable. I loved it. I loved it.
Have you watched Sarvamaya? Sarvamaya. It is a Malayalam film.
Okay.
If you get a time, go and watch it.
Okay.
It is a suggestion. You will like the film. It is a film suggestion actually.
Okay. Okay.
You'll really love it actually.
Okay.
It is a very good film. Niveen Pauly acted in it actually. It is a classy film.
I'm always there for watching films.
I wanted to end this interview in a right way. What are the films you are coming up with?
Well, right now I'm coming up with Kadal Kadai Solava, and we are just focusing on that. And the release was yesterday, and I'm a little nervous.
Have you
and
got
excited.
any appreciations from the press, from the people who watched the film?
No, I think today only I'll get it after this interview. So I'm just waiting. And people have always loved, good cinemas and new journeys. So I'll just like to tell everyone that thank you so much for loving me in South India, giving me so much love in previous films I've done. And my new film has already released. Please go and watch it and give us more love, more blessings. I'm always grateful for the love I've received. It's the biggest gift I've received. And that's it. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much. And I guess people will always keep supporting good cinema. That has always happened. Thank you so much.
The art has no language அப்படின்னு ஒரு வார்த்தை இருக்கு. So language is not a barrier for anything.
Yeah.
We all love this interview and getting to know that how much you know about cinema, how much you have an experience in cinema, and you have seen 2 decades of cinema yourself, and looking forward to your lot of Tamil films, lot of other language films. I
Thank
want you
you.
to grow high and get lot of good opportunities and getting explored in lot of things. Thank you very much for this interview.
Thank
It's
you.
been a
Thank
pleasure
you.
talking to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was very nice.
Thank you.